All right, friends, real quick, just going to get you a quick video to show you how to use the average command. I'm just going to type the word average here, and the median command in Excel. This will also work in Sheets if you want to use Sheets instead. So if I want to take the average of a set of data, you can just click in a cell, type equals, and then type the word average, then left parentheses, and then just select the data. Do like that. And then close her off, and then press enter, and I get an average of about 40 in this case. If you like whole numbers, we can knock that down to just about 40. All right, median, same exact thing. Median, select the numbers, and that one's got a median of 10. Now, as far as what these two numbers mean, I'll give you a real quick introduction. I know we've talked about this before in class, but you may have forgotten it. The median is the kind of the easiest one. So if you were to sort this data, so I'm going to select it all and then come up here to data, and then I'm going to go to sort ascending. The median would be the number that's directly in the middle, which means if you count up from the bottom and find the halfway point. So there are 7 data points in this data set. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The 10 is in the middle spot because there are 3 above and 3 below. That's the median. As you remember it from back in the day, the average is found by adding all the numbers and then dividing by how many there are. So another way you can get the average is you can do the sum of all of these numbers and then divide by how many there are. And that number is going to look familiar because it's the same as the average over here. So that's the average, that's the median, and that's all we're going to be chatting about in these next couple problems. So go get them.